Hey guys, Andrew here. Today I'm going to talk about the number one skill you need to make a lot of money in real estate, help a lot of people, have a lot of fun. The number one skill. Are you ready for it? All you have to do is sign up to my masterclass and give me a bunch of money. Just kidding guys. I'll give you the answer right now. The number one thing that you need to be successful in sales, real estate sales, but any kind of sales, is actually something that you want very, very much. And before I answer that question, I'm going to ask you right now. What do you think it is? What do you want? When you're sitting down across the table from somebody, a salesperson, a consultant, service provider, what are you looking for? What are you looking for in your experience? Think about it. Well, I'll give you the answer that I'm looking for. I'm looking for somebody I can trust. And how do you trust somebody? Well, they understand me. They ask me lots of questions and they get inside my head and they understand where I'm coming from so that they can help me. And that's it. That's the number one trick. That's the secret. That's the magic. No magic funnels, no tons of cash spent. It's very, very simple. Yet very, very good at discovery, asking people questions and truly getting inside their head, understanding what is called the pain or pleasure gap, the space between where they are right now and where they want to get to. If you figure that out, you have nothing but success in front of you. And so in my team, we use a very simple technique called the what, the why, and the how. And what that means is very simple. The what is what they're going to tell you. So from a real estate perspective, somebody says, I want to buy a house, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, $300,000 in this neighborhood. Bang. So there is the what. That's simple enough, and most people give you the what. Now what you're looking, beyond the what is the why. Why 3 bedrooms? Why not 4 bedrooms? Why 300,000, not 400,000? Why this neighborhood? So the why is going to give you a lot of information on where they're coming from and I guess ultimately how you can help them. But the most important part in the how is the how. And the how is how it impacts them if they do or do not get that problem solved. So if they don't make this move, how does it impact them? It doesn't really matter. I don't care. I'll stay here for 20 years. Okay. Or my kid's going to miss their school. They're getting bullied. I really want to transfer them. My husband, my wife is relocating to a new location, new area. And if I don't move, it'll be a way longer commute. So how does it impact them? So if you understand those 3 things, the what, the why, the how, by asking a whole crap ton of questions, and what questions you need to ask, and the good ones, I'll talk about that later in the future. Check out future blogs for that one. Actually, I think I'm going to do that on a few blogs, so check my blogs out for those ones. But all I can tell you right now is that if you want to be successful in any sort of sales, if you want to be able to help a lot of people and make great money, then focus on building trust. And you build trust by building understanding. And you get understanding by asking great discovery questions that help you understand what the person wants, why they want it, and how it impacts them if they do or do not get it. You got those answers to those questions, you cannot help but be successful. And it does not require a masterclass and anything to be successful at that. All it requires is actually caring about people and asking really important questions and ultimately putting yourself in their shoes. Next time you're out buying something, think about that. Is this person building trust? Is this person asking about my needs? Or are they just rhyming off a product list and trying to slam through a quick deal? And ultimately, I think you're going to find that if you focus on true discovery and truly understanding your clients and customers, success is a byproduct of that. Thanks, guys. See you out there.